Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Experience Tutor. Today we'll discuss speed calculation part 1 for everyone. Either he or she is a student of school, college, engineering college, medical college, housewife, or giving any competitive exams like IIT, JEE, NEET, NTA, SBI, Bank PO, railway, or any clerical examinations or any government examinations for government jobs. Everywhere in today's era, we need to do speed calculation to find the answers verbally of maths. So let us discuss more in the chapter. Before we begin, we request you to subscribe, like, and share our channel among your friends and relatives. Please click on the subscribe button to support us. And also click on the bell icon to get automatic notification whenever a new video is uploaded by us. Let us begin the chapter. So, today in our first class, we'll discuss about few quick methods for multiplication of different numbers. Let us keep it simple. So let us begin with multiplication of any number by 11. So the steps are: start the multiplication from right to left, put the last number in the extreme right and the first number in the extreme left as it is. Second rule, rest answers can be found by adding the never. Whenever we write never, that means the right side number. Never is equal to always equal to right side number of that particular number. Okay. Now let us see one example. So example is 722 multiplied by 11. So we'll start the calculation from right to left. So extreme right number is 2. We'll put as it is. To find out the next number is 2 again. So its neighbor, that is right hand side number, is 2. So we'll add this 2 number, that is 2 plus 2, that is 4, and put the answer as 4. Now we are in 7. So we are in 7 here. So its its right hand side neighbor is 2. We'll add 7 plus 2, that is 9. We'll put 9 here. Again, the extreme left number is 7. We'll put just 7 as it is. So this is the answer. Very easy, right? Interesting also. Now, the next number is a bigger one. Don't worry, it is also very simple. So, as per the rule, the extreme right number will put as it is. 4 will put 4 as it is. No change. The next number, 2, will add 2 with its with its right neighbor, that is 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. We'll put 6 here. Step 3, we are in 3 now. Its right neighbor is 2, so we'll add this 2. We got 5. Next number, 4, its right neighbor is 3. 4 plus 3, that is 7. Next number, next step, 3, its right neighbor is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. We'll put 7 here. Again, next number is 5. 5 its right neighbor is 3. 5 plus 3, 8. So next number is 2. Its right neighbor is 5. 2 plus 5, that is 7. Next number is 6. Its right neighbor is 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. Next number, so number finished now. So last one, the extreme left number, that is 6, will put 6 as it is. So we got the number answer. So let us see one more example for 11. So we have to multiply this number, a big number, with 11. So first the extreme right number will put as it is. 9 is 9 here. Again 3 will add to its right neighbor, that is 3 plus 9, that is 12. We'll put 1 in carry and 2 here. Similarly for 7 we'll add with 7 plus 1 plus 3, where 1 is the carry, 3 is the right neighbor, and we'll get 11. We'll put 1 as a carry and 1 here. Now again we'll add 9. We are in number 9. 9 plus 1, that is carry, plus its right neighbor is 7, that is 9 plus 1 plus 7, that is 17. Now we are in 8. It's So here we'll add 8 plus 1. 1 is the carry, plus its right neighbor is 9. So 8 plus 1 plus 9, that is 18. We'll put 1 in carry and put 8 here. And the extreme left side number is 8 and 1 carry, that is 9. We'll put 9 here. So we found the answer of a big calculation of 11. Now let us learn the multiplication by 12. Rules is very easy. Rule is very easy. Double each number and add to its neighbor. Neighbor means its right hand side neighbor. So there is a number 523 multiplied by 12. So 3 is the number which is extremely right. So we'll double 3, that is 6. There is no right hand side neighbor of 3 since it is the first number. So we'll put 6 directly. Now comes 2. So we'll double 2, that is 4, and we'll add its right hand side neighbor, that is 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. We'll put 7 here. Next number comes 5. So next number comes 5. So what we'll do, we'll double 5, that is 5 to the 10. Again, we'll add its right hand side neighbor, that is 2, which gives 12. We'll put 2 here and 1 as a carry. Now 0, for 0 we'll double 0 plus its right hand side neighbor is 5 and plus 1 is the carry, so plus 1, that is 6 in total. We'll put 6 here. So this is the answer. Let us see one more big number multiplied by 12. So in this case the extreme right number is 7. So we'll double 7, which is 14. So we'll carry 1 and put 4 here. Its next number is 3. So the answer will be double of 3, that is 6, plus its right hand side neighbor, that is 7, plus the carry 1 is plus 1. On adding we get 14. So we'll put carry 1 and 4 here. Next number is 2. So we'll double 2, that is 2 to the 4, plus its right hand number is 3 plus 3 plus carry 1. So it is equal to 8. 4 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 8. We'll put 8 here. Next number is 8. What we'll do? We'll double 8 plus we'll add the right neighbor, that is 2. So 8, 8 to just 16 plus 2, that is 18. So in this case we'll put carry 1 and 8 here. And the next number is 9. We'll double 9 plus its right neighbor is 8 plus carry 1, that is double of 9 is 18 plus 8 plus 1 is 27. We'll carry 2 and put 7 in the below. So step 6 is next number is 7. We'll double 7, that is 14 plus 9 its right hand side neighbor plus 2 the carry. The total we get is 25. So we'll put carry 2 and 5 here. So the next number is 6. So double of 6 plus its right neighbor is 7. So 7 here. Its carry is 2. So 2 here. So if we add double of 6, that is 12 plus 7 plus 2, we get 21. We put carry 2 and 1 below. Now what we'll do is we'll double 0, then we'll put its right neighbor as 6 and plus the carry as 2. If we add this 3, we get 8. I'll put 8 here. So in this way we get the answer to this sum. Now we'll see the multiplication by 6. Rule is very easy. To each number add half of the neighbor. Neighbor means right hand neighbor for each even number, and to each number add half the neighbor plus 5 if the number is odd. Very simple. So if the number is even, just add half of its right hand side number, and if the number is odd, you add 5, then you add half of the right hand side neighbor. So first number is 2, no right hand side number neighbor. So what we'll do, we'll put 2 is even, so it will be just carried down. Now in step 2, second number is 3, that is 3 is an odd number. So what we'll do, we'll add 5. So for all odd number we add 5. So 3 plus 5 plus half of its right hand side neighbor, that is right hand side of 3 is 2. So half of 2, that is 1. So ultimately we need to add 3 plus 5 plus 1, that is 9. We'll put 9 here. Step 3. Next number is 5. So it is also an odd number. So to get the answer, we'll add 5 plus 5 plus its right hand side neighbor is 3. If we do half of 3, that is 1 upon 2. We'll not take the fraction part, we'll take the whole number. So we'll take 1. So 10 plus 1, that is 11. And here we'll put 1 and the answer, and 1 is carry. The next number is 4. So what we'll do, so the next number is 3. 3 is an odd number. What we'll do, we'll add 5 and we'll add half of its right hand side number. Never. It is 2, half of 2 is 1, so 9 plus 8 plus 1, that is 9. We'll put 9 here. Step 3. For the next number 5, 5 is an odd number, so I'll put 5 plus 5, will add 5 on our own, and half of its right hand side number, that is 3. Half of 3 is 1, 1 upon half, that is we don't take the fractional part, we take the whole number part, so we take 1. So 10 plus 1 is 11. That is, we'll put 1 here, 1 in carry. The next step is uh, 4. For 4 we'll double the number. So for 4, what we'll do, we'll just add 4 plus 1, that is the carry 1, and half of 5. Half of 5 is 2, 1 and half. We'll not take 1 and half, we'll just take 2. So 5 plus 2, that is 7. We'll put 7 here. The next step. The next step, 6. So we'll put 6 plus half of its right hand side neighbor, that is 4. Half of 4 is 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. So I'll put 8 here. Sixth step. So it is 0. So half of its right hand side neighbor is 6. So half of 6 is 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. We'll put here. So this is the calculation for any number. We can find out the answer for any number, big number, multiplied by 6. Now let us see the multiplication of any big number by 7. So for example, this big number is there, which is multiplied by 7. So extreme right number is 8. So there is no neighbor. We mean to say that there is no right hand side neighbor of 8. Therefore we'll double 8, that is 8 to the 16, and put 6 here and 1 as a carry. Next step. So next number is 3. So what we'll do, 3 is an odd number. So we'll double 3 first. So 3 to the 6, and we'll add 5. Why 5? Because 3 is an odd number. Whenever there is an odd number, we'll add 5. And plus 1, 1 is for carry. So if we add all these things and plus half of its right hand side neighbor, is 8. So half of 8 is 4. So if we add 6 plus 5 plus 1 plus 4, then we get 16, and we'll put carry 1 and put 6 here. Now step 3. Now the number is 4. So what we'll do, first we'll double the number, 4 to the 8 plus 1, that is the carry, and half of its right hand neighbor is 3, that is half of 3 is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 upon half, 1, 1 by 2. If we calculate it, we will not take the fraction part, only the whole number part, that is 1. So 8 plus 1 plus 1, that is 10. Carry is 1. 0 is here. The next part. Next number is 6. So we'll double 6, that is 12. 6 to the 12 here, plus half of its right hand neighbor. Right hand neighbor is 4. So half of 4 is 2, and 1 is the carry. So 1 is the carry. So it will give 15. We'll put carry 1 and 5 here. Now next step is 5. So what we'll do, we'll multiply 2 and 5, that is 10, plus the carry 1 plus half of its right hand number, that is 6. Half of 6 is 3, and since 5 is an odd number, we'll add 5. So if we add all these things, we get 10 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5. The total is 19. We'll put 1 here, 1 as a carry, and 9 is here. So the sixth step is 0 to the extreme left. So what we'll do, we'll double 0 plus 1, 1 is the carry, plus half of its right hand side neighbor, that is 5. Half of 5 is 2, 1 by 2. I will not take the fraction part, we will just take the whole number part. So we got 1 plus 2, that is 3. Here we will take just 2, and the answer is 3. Multiplication by 5. Rule is half the neighbor. Neighbor means right hand side neighbor, plus 5 if the number is odd. Simple rule. So let us see the example. Here the number is written extreme right, that is 5. There is no right hand side neighbor for 5 and it is odd. Therefore half the right hand side neighbor, that is half the 0 plus 5, that is 0 plus 5, that is 5. Next step. Next number is 4. So in this case, first we'll get half of its right hand side neighbor, that is 5. Half of 5 is 2, 1 by 2. Take only the whole number part, that is 2. Don't take the fractional part, half. So put 2 here. Next step is the number is 5. It is an odd number. So half of its right hand neighbor, that is 4. Half of 4 plus 5. Why 5? Because it is an odd number, and for odd number we have to add 5 on our own. So 2 plus 5, that is 7. We'll put 7 here. Next number is 6. So half of its next right hand side neighbor is 5. So half of 5 is 2, 1 by 2. So I put 2 here. So next number is 7, which is an odd number. So first we'll do the half of its next neighbor, that is right hand side neighbor, is 6. Half of 6 plus 5, 5, because 7 is odd number. For odd number we add 5. So 3 plus 5, that is 8. Step 6, half of the right hand side neighbor, that is 7. So half of 7 is 3, 1 by 2, that is 3. We won't take the fraction part, we'll take the whole number part. So we'll put 3 here. So that is the answer. Now let us see multiplication by 9. This is also very simple. Step 1, just you subtract the extreme right number from 10. So 10 minus extreme right number is 8. So 10 minus 8 is 2. Just put 2 here. For the next number, you subtract by 9. So 9 minus 5, it is 4, and you add the you add the right hand side neighbor, that is 4 plus 8 is 12. Put 1 in hand, 2 here. Next number is 7. So 9 minus 7. In all the cases you have to find out the middle numbers, you have to subtract it by 7. It is a common rule. it you have to subtract it by 9. So 9 minus 7 is 2, and its right hand side neighbor is 5. Put 5 here, and the carry is 1. Put 1 here. So altogether it is 8. Now step 4. Its right hand side neighbor is, now the number is 8, its right hand side neighbor is 7. So 9 minus 8, that is 1. You add the right hand side number, that is 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. Put 8 here. So the next number is 8. We'll subtract 9 minus 8, that is 1. We'll add the right hand side neighbor, that is 7. 1 plus 7, that is equal to 8. Now for the extreme right number, extreme left number, that is 0, we have put on our own. We'll subtract the left hand side number 8 with 1, that is 7, and we'll put 7. So remember, find out the extreme left hand side number, we subtract it by 1. That's it. And while multiplication of 9. So remember this formula, and you can do any type of calculations. Multiplication by 8. So step 1. So 4 is the extreme right hand side number. So what we'll do in this case, 10 minus 4 will do. So that is 6. Then whatever the answer, in this our case it is 6, we'll double it. That is 12. We'll put 1 in hand and 2 here. For next middle, to find out the middle number next to it, we have to do, that is 9. For example, we are in 9, so 9 minus 9, that is 0, multiplied by 2, that is doubling, we are doubling the number, that is also 0. So what we do, we'll put 9 minus 9, 0 plus 4, the right hand neighbor, that is 4, plus 1, 1 is the carry. So we get 5. We put 5 here. Step 3, now we are in 7. So 9 minus 7, which is 2, multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. So why multiplied by 2? We are going to double the number. After subtracting from 9, whatever the answer comes, we double it. And whatever that answer comes, in our case it is 4, we'll add the right hand side neighbor, that is 9. So 4 plus 9 is 13. We put 1 in hand and 3 below 7. So step 4, now we are in number 8. So what we'll do, well, 9 minus 8, which is 1, 1's double is 2. So we'll add 2 plus carry plus 7. 7 is the right hand side neighbor of 8. So next step is the 0, which we have put on our end. So to find out the extreme right hand side, we'll subtract by 2 in this case. So 8 minus 2 is 6, and if anything is hand, we have to add it. So 6 plus 1, that is 7. So now we'll see how to multiply a big number with 4, or any number with 4. So extreme right is 9. So what we'll do, 10 minus 9, which is 1, and if the number is odd, then we'll add 5. So we'll add 5 here. 1 plus 5 is 6. Step 2. So next number is 8. So we'll subtract 9 minus 8, that is 1. 1 plus half of the right hand side number, that is 9. That is, so 1 plus half of 9. Half of 9 is 4, 4 1 upon half. So we take the whole number part, that is 4 only. So 1 plus 4, that is 5. The third step. Now we are in number 5. So 9 minus 5 is 9. 4. 4 plus its since 5 is odd, so we'll add 5. 4 plus 5, that is 9. Again 9 is added with half of 8, because 8 is its right hand side number. So 9 plus half of 8, that is 9 plus 4 is 13. So 1 in hand. Now we are in 6. So 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 plus half of its right hand side neighbor, that is 5. So half of 5, that is 2 1 upon 2 1 upon half 2 1 upon half. So we'll add only 2, the whole number part. So you get 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1, which is 1. 1 is the carry it out 1. So is 6. Now step 5. Since 0 won't have any thing, we just calculate the value as half of 6. Its right hand neighbor is 3, and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So we always do, in this case, whenever we need to multiply by 4, we do 3 minus 1, that is half of 6, whatever the answer is, minus 1, which is 3 minus 1 is 2, and this is the correct answer for a big multiplication of 4. So now let us see multiplication by 3. So extreme right hand side, it is 4. So 10 minus 8 is equal to 2, and double 2, that is 2 to the 4. So step 2. So 8 is the next number. 9 minus 8 is 1. Double of 1 is 2. 2 plus half of its right hand side number is 8. Half of 8 is 4. 2 plus 4, that is 6. We put 6 here. And step 2, we put 6 here. So first step is subtract 9 from subtract from 9. Second is step is whatever the answer come, just double it. Third step is half of 8, the right hand side neighbor. So 2 plus half of 8 is 2 plus 4, that is 6. Step 3. Number is 9 here. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So next we get 0 multiplied by 2, that is doubling of 0 is 0. 0 plus whatever the answer came plus half of 8. Half of 8, that is 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. So 4 plus 5, why 5? Because 9 is an odd number. We get 9. So put 9 here. Next number is 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. 2 plus half of its right hand side neighbor, that is 9, that is 4. 1 upon 2, which is equal to 2 plus 4, that is 6. Step 5. Half of 8, its left hand neighbor, its right hand neighbor is half of 8, that is 4, and 4 minus 2 to find out the extreme left number is subtracted by 2. So we get 8988 multiplied by 3 is equal to 26964. A simple calculation. And this is the end of today's class. Before we close down, we have a small request to subscribe, like, and share our channel, and please click on the subscribe button to get or and please click on the subscribe button to support us, and also click on the bell icon to get automatic notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you very much for watching our videos and supporting us.